Mpone ao abarikire abaritayire basibaliensemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iliyonyore obukureri ubuya ase Chinsa muna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe, business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asungu chubusungu kahawa house daraja moja asipara ya Kisii sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga umosio wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko wakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikomenainya chire within Gusii ona into toro konyo mu Gusii soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese bali batara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na Gusii yeito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseriga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomenya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boygo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boygo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boygo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboygo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Etagekemo yabutukire amagiga ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso ase orugongo rwe Chinse cha Afrika ayamucha mwancho muligereria na kiboirire andonsi asore karibu sana ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso na ngukwarigane gusubuna twanyare kuba tugukwaririganire kura sensemo ebimanyerero nere Wilson Amakori nenchenguru kwa Matildah Obaigwa tobeamo goika omwerio ikirongo chaka Ekeonga nigongo chaka kura ase ekaunti ya Kisii ime ye bunge ya Nyaribari chache kirobono chia Ibere eyamo kura ase ekenyoro kya Nyamware gotoka me ward ya Kiumbu naboigo ekenyoro kende kura ase yekomanyekanite buna akamawa ke gotoka meya Kiogoro bono banyare gusaba obokonye gosiro eri banyare kubaenia abancho babo abo babutire ase chinkendu ase egeka egetambe bagokwana na bararia nigo bono banyare goteba nigo chibili chiachire igoro ana muno echanya gitari na boigo nonye yechokane kebuna esabari yabancho babo yanyare goika omwero asinchira eri engekirano
kwa morisi aguru ferinya kondo oyu bonsale iganda somo chie onyagusiro mwaka mogire ase omwana oyo kurukwa kengere mogire asirete mwaka oyo iga nababa okurwara akabogo kwa bono gakarega alia mochari ema agayita ase ogotineka kwaye igobune kenyoro ye kamagwa tonyaranga ntubwati epil era ko mundusiga ali mochari to komoenia
girati sibonale liononga ninche areti ye kenyoreke ya mabe akara twane gakora omeroberiyo mugakoyo nyagusira nigo twachie kokorigereri tokanyare tobwate bitokie bike twarerira abangina bekenyoreke nabagaka akitokonye ekiagere piriere moche rigari nigere nene
twatemire torigereri rogoro mate igoro ntwana kanyora mokonye tore na mayanda koruga gochimate korurogoro ntorubwati
moranga mazi no moiboru wekenyoreke no mora yenda ase bitengo awao na inche na bonko ungana oyo sirete mokamo muro minto omwana oyo gaba anyoma korubukamba igaure omwana arare to murugi oyo uromoke mono bono goitera aba minto bakwanire bakamura ba minto bakwanira anti yanere bakokwanire na maino kuganeiria igase family gokonya obatigeirwo abana baraba omwana omoke mono koboko na mabera tukona uzuni ebili nere wetania no eneli 100 kana tuaje mate tuagerede sababu ya silingi ebili ya silingi 130 lakini rende baka moja line bintu binde nechibesa chinyinge chiganire nabo tugwaka mbiyamo ikiagera umuswadi yagorokwa mukamba Janet Mudhiu Nyamura nero umwana monene umichira
ekena senke tuachire ntubwato bokong musibadi nawe mugeta gadusirira akatigero umwana omosiri nibwo motienya ya mebere baminto kamara anje nkorera tole tuachire gotabataba tuasinyiru ebiri ya nyagitari gere igoro ntobwato mwa MP ekenyo kwenda constituency ito ya Nyamware
Mwancho muligire gutigana nayo umurai ibwense ya Kenya omuske William Ruto ni gobono olitukuria rero anyare kwerera igati yari anyare gotabokia ase serikali eyiga ekurawa nere ase oburai bwa Kenya kwanza na bwo kubaterana na bali akoro asense mo opposition bali banyare togosoa ime ye serikali ka ukwana akuru ase magacho State House emambia rero ni gobono anyara gotebona kurigereria uchumi yense ya Kenya ya chirare na bwo nebinto ebinge sebitambukire binge ebi serikali yanyare tukomuke byanyare kuba bigoikiraniwa.
Economy is stabilizing and growing. Today, Kenya is ranked the 6th largest economy in Africa, up from the 8th 2 years ago. Inflation has dropped from 9.6 in 2022 to 3.8 today. The exchange rate has stabilized at Kenya shillings 129 to the dollar for more than a year, down from Kenya shillings 165. And foreign exchange reserves have climbed to $11.8 billion from $6.5 billion. Food production is improving. Maize output, for example, has grown by 50%. and farmer earnings for tea, coffee, and milk have also increased significantly. The affordable housing program is now active in all 47 counties, employing 320,000 Kenyans. And that number is expected to double in a few months. While our labor mobility program has placed 400,000 Kenyans in jobs abroad, Climate Works is onboarding 120,000 workers, and our ICT digital jobs framework has 180,000 people working and monetizing their talent. In the health sector, 110,000 community health promoters are assigned to visit our homes, while more than 25 million Kenyans are enlisted with SHA, bringing us closer to universal health coverage and ensuring that access to quality health is not the privilege of a few, but a constitutional right for all. Our education reforms are also taking root. The CBC transition is complete. We have employed 76,000 teachers in 2 years and will hire another 24,000 in January. Our new student-centered funding model now guarantees quality and sustainable education. Additionally, our public savings at NSSF that stood at Kenya shillings 320 billion 2 years ago will double to 640 by the end of this year as our plan on revolutionizing our savings culture.
Tingakia checho umoske William Ruto ni gobono anyare gwitaba na amaine oberega koria chira chinyinge korwa atagite kuboria ikiro kyobora ibwense na boigo nigo anyare goteba okoria chira nenjere moyo kwenekia una ebirengo bya magendero ariaganete byanyare gukinwa aiga asense ya Kenya.
My administration of over-promising or taking on too many challenges at once. I have this to say. Yes, I made promises. Yes, I took on many challenges that had bogged down our nation for far too long. This wasn't a mistake. This was deliberate and intentional, so as to match our leadership with our national ambition, to raise the standard, to adjust the bar upwards, and to up our game. As a leadership, we have made peace with mediocrity for far too long. That is why slums became homes, hunger became normal, health became a privilege, and jobs became a status symbol. I promised to change this, and that change is happening. Fellow citizens,
Mwancho murigere na kurwase bunge ye Senate ni gopono waziri webinto bitoncho kanene omoske Deborah Barasa anyare wikirana obosio wa abaseneta nekiro bono anyare kwerera ekatie bitambukiro biri serikali ya nyare kwimokia na boyo kubatira neti serikali chechi county elio kwenekia buna obochabu gose ogotutwa ko ubi kwanyare koba kutari koreta omochando kigima samagima yaba Kenya na boyo kutari koreta gosigo tari gostaria ebinto bitoncho kanaine ayaiga nigo anyare ko yabwatirane na goteba buna ebitambukiro biri byanyare ko mukigwa bire bye biga na boigo ngai serikali yakire asenganeyo.
The ministry through the National Environment Management Authority has issued several advisories to all the county governments and the Council of Governors on sustainable waste management. Some of the advisories include on 19th July 2024 where NEMA wrote to the county governors through COG advising counties to remove all wastes in undesignated sites and submit a zonation plan for waste collection and disposal areas. This is annexed 4, management of illegal dump sites. A letter was sent to all county secretaries requesting them to ensure all waste is segregated, collected, and transported to designated waste handling facilities. Annex 6, advisory to the county governments. Specifically, the advisory requires the county governments to, number 1, collect, handle, and transport waste and deliver it to facilities that are licensed and designated as per Section 7 of Environmental Management and Coordination, Waste Management Regulations of 2024, to establish waste management infrastructure to promote source segregation, collection, reuse, and set up material recovery facilities as per Section 9 of the Sustainable Waste Management Act 2022, waste transportation trucks not to carry mixed waste, reorganize existing dump sites to ensure there are separate reception areas for organic, general waste, residual waste from material recovery facilities, and landfill for unrecoverable waste. NEMA licensed waste transporters as well as waste treatment and disposal facilities as per Environmental Management and Coordination Waste Management Regulations of 2024. NEMA collaborates with county governments on awareness aimed at changing public behavior with respect to management of waste at the household level, proper waste handling by waste handlers, that's transporters, aggregators, among others, and development of material recovery facilities.
Mwancho muligire gutigara ime ye bunge yo ye senate ni kupono umuwaziri wa mangana ya basae na boigo chigosori umuske sale mvuria nere anyari ukwanera egatie bitambukiro birie wizara yaye yanyari kwimukia iri kweneke buna umuchando okebongo uchase abasae onyari kuguswanirwa aiga ase ense ya Kenya nekero atebire buna serikali wetera se wizara yo nebo negendete kubwaterana negati ye chinyagitari na boigo ababwate ubumanyi asokuligereria omochando okebongo anemono bale ase chigosori
include number 1 the establishment of youth safe spaces within the operational youth empowerment centers which offers mental health therapeutic services amongst other related matter such as sexual reproductive health through collaboration between the ministry and International Youth Fellowship Korea International NGO with presence in 105 countries worldwide, currently based at Kasarani and operates satellite campuses across the country, offers mindset changes training which integrates mental health clinic through weekend academy program. Through Kikao initiative and outreach activity in which the ministry in collaboration with other MDS organizes sensitization programs where mobile health clinics are organized for the youth. The ministry, through State Department for Youth Affairs and Creative Economy, has lined up a myriad of collaborative program with Madari Hospital, Youth in College, JQuat, to offer mental health sensitization, screening and referral to the youth in college who may not wish to use the in-college counseling facilities. Sports and arts therapy programs, initiatives such as Sports for Development and Creative Therapy workshops are designed to foster mental well-being through engagement in sports and the arts, promoting resilience, teamwork, and emotional expression. Partnerships with mental health professionals. The ministry collaborates with psychologists and counselors to offer tailored mental health services during youth sports camps and create
Mwancho muligere tomirane na inde ase Ekeonga Chinsa 10 cha abo tialero maragoba erinde tochigosanga yo na yande amange asinjira yoko ya chutia ngoroko Matildah Obaigwa asegeke kekerebosio nyara ko monyora DJ Reels nere it's eniki erinde onyare ko egokia ase umurobero of vibes on vibes iritugeriga ria Jumatano kurende Avila Akariri Wilson Makori na bwo Wilfred Matundra cross studio akabere asinchira ayo wekira no banyare konekia umurobero iga ose banyare konekia kwanyare kionge asinchira ere enge kerano kegyo mancho muriga tumrane Chinsa 10.
Superstores nero eduka asorogongoriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati enda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isano babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo okunyara kwabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Yesterday kijana hujasoma na kuozesha binti yangu kwa mahali ya kingamuzi cha Zuku Amazing Digital TV.
Ndio nimekubali.
Mashaallah.
Unaunguza kuku tena wa kienyeji?
Mume wangu, ni uhondo na utamu wa Zuku Swahili.
Hawa Zuku Digital Amazing TV. Yaani Zuku Swahili mambo ni buli buli. Ware!
Habari ya mjini ni Zuku. Furahia mautamu utamu. Unasubiri nini? Zaidi ya kujiunga na familia bora ya Zuku TV ndani ya channel namba 100 ya Zuku Swahili. Hapa utafurahia tamthilia, filamu mbalimbali na burudani nyingine kibao ndani ya Zuku TV.
Subscribe ase channel ya Getembe TV rero ili manyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Getembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne vipindi bya